Hello again, guys. This is Liz Magic, and today I'm going to share with you how I make Escovitch shrimp. We're not going to remove the shell from the shrimp because this is what gives you your crispiness on the outside of the shrimp when you fry your shrimp. I'm going to show you and share with you the ingredients and step by step how to make this delicious dish. Right here in this bowl, I have 3 packs of 4 grams of headless shrimp. In this bowl right here, I julienne some carrots. Over here, I slice up some onions, 3 medium onions. To the side, slice up some hot pepper, scotch bonnet, and some habanero pepper. Right over here, I also have some sliced green peppers and some sliced red peppers. So I already prep all these things. They're ready. I'm gonna season up my shrimp with some irie seafood seasoning right there, some paprika, black pepper, irie seasoning salt, 3/4 cups of vegetable oil. For me, I don't like the vinegar to overpower my Escovitch, so I'm not using much vinegar, just a 1/4 cup of vinegar. I like to taste the flavor. I don't want to taste the vinaigrette flavor of my Escovitch shrimp. I want to taste my shrimp. I'm going to add a tablespoon, that's 1, 2 of the fish seasoning. I'm gonna just sprinkle just a little of the paprika in there. If you want to measure, I would say that's about 1 tablespoon. The same with the black pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle some of the black pepper in there, and I estimate it to be about a tablespoon. Irie seasoning salt, I'm gonna add a tablespoon. So that's 1, and I'm gonna add another tablespoon, so that's 2. So 2 tablespoons of irie seasoning salt. I'm gonna mix it all up. You can use a spoon, you can use whatever you want to mix it up, but I'll just use my hands and just mix it up. Leave this to marinate for half an hour. It's seafood. You don't need it to marinate for longer than that if you don't have the time. It's all up to you. I could have start cooking it right now. So here I have my frying pan. I'm gonna add my oil. This is what I'm gonna fry my shrimp in. I'm gonna let the oil get hot for maybe about 2 minutes before I add my shrimp to it. Now my shrimp to my oil there, and I'm gonna let it fry. I'll be flipping it. Right next to my shrimp, I have another frying pan, and this I'm gonna use to prepare the carrots, onions, and pepper, the Escovitch side of the shrimp. So using another 1/4 cup of oil to do this. So I'm gonna add my oil to my frying pan. I'm gonna add my carrots. I usually do the carrots first because if I put the pepper and the onion in too soon, they will get soft and soggy. I want to have that crunch in my onion just as well as my carrots. So I let my carrots cook maybe 5 minutes before I add my onions and bell pepper and hot pepper to it. While this is cooking, I'm just gonna add some seasoning salt to it and black pepper. So here we go. I estimate this to be about a tablespoon of seasoning salt, and just sprinkle a little black pepper because you want to have the flavor in there just the same. Check in with that in a minute. Here we go, right next to it. My shrimp is there, so I'm checking in on my shrimp. I'm just gonna flip it over. You can notice the color of the shrimp. It's starting to change, it's getting red, so you know it's cooking nicely. That's for my shrimp. Guys, welcome, welcome. This is Lizmagic. I'm just showing you how I make Escovitch shrimp. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press the notification button. For those who are always there, my usual faithful followers and people that are always giving me the thumbs up, thank you for your support. I do appreciate your support. Don't forget to tell your family and tell your friends. You too, guys, don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to press the notification button, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys can automatically watch it. Escovitch shrimp, and that's what we're doing today. You know, you just have to monitor it and just keep flipping it. I want it to have crunch, crispy. I'm making sure that I flip it from one side to the other. You want that. Checking in on the carrots. I'm just going to give my carrot a little stir. You know, I want it to still be crunchy, so I'm not going to cook it for too long. 5 minutes tops the most, because you want it to be crunchy, not soggy. And after, I'll just add the other ingredients to it. So there you go. One way of testing your carrots, I like to just bend it, and it's, you know, it's bend nicely. Break it in half like that, and I know it's good to go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the onions, the bell peppers and the hot peppers to my carrot. Getting this ready, so as soon as the shrimp is done, I can put this on top, because that's how you get it to be well soaked and flavored with the Escovitch. So there, I add it, and I'm going to give it a nice little stir. Make sure it's all blend in there. And I'm not going to cook this for long. This is the Escovitch part. The vinegar will be added soon. Still have the crunch in it. And then let it just cook for 2 more minutes. 5 minutes top. Checking in on my shrimp. There. It's almost ready. Look how nice it looks, guys. Beautiful. There. I'm checking in. Looking all nice and delicious, mouth-watering. Wow. I'm gonna taste and see how it tastes. The sauce in there, yum yum yum. I could spice this up some more, maybe throwing some chili flakes in there, but it's all good. Checking in on my carrots. Nice. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the 1/4 cup of vinegar. As I said, I'm not going to put a lot of vinegar. I know a lot of people who do Escovitch, they like that vinegar taste. Not me. I love my flavors. I want to taste the flavor of my shrimp, my peppers, my carrot, and my onions. I don't want to take that away. I'm just going to let it simmer in a few more minutes. You see the sauce, there's sauce in there, and this is the key, guys, because I'm gonna put all this on the shrimp. Guys, there it is. I like my food to be flavorful, so I'm just gonna taste to make sure I have my flavors going. Mmm. Perfect, 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 perfect. The carrots are still crunchy. That is good. The onion, crunchy. And I just, you know, bend this and I can feel it. It's not soggy. I still feel that crunch. And looking at the pepper, you can also tell, see? And feeling it, I feel that firmness. So the firmness is still in there. That's where you get the crunch, not soggy when you to your touch or when you eat it. So I'm just gonna let that simmer. More check on my shrimp. Wow, you guys see? Looking crispy. That's what I want. So my shrimp is ready. So I'm just gonna get it in my dish. And then I put my Escovitch on it, which is to the side, just finishing up with the vinegar that I just added. So I'm just gonna let a little of the vinegar sink into it, not overdoing it. I'm gonna put my shrimp, guys, right into this bowl. This is where the remainder of the magic continues. Right in there. Now the final touch. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Your girl Lizmagic here. Thank you for your continuous support and watching my video. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification button. Here we go. And I'm doing Escovitch shrimp. There. So now I'm putting all the yummy stuff on top. I like to mix it in a little. You know, make sure it's all in there. Mixing it up a little. There. This is how we do it. There, guys. Look at it. Look how lovely it is, guys. You can see everything on top. The pepper, the onions, the carrot, bell peppers, hot peppers. They're all in there. What? This is a finishing touch. If you don't have a lid like I do, you can cover up with foil paper and let it sit there. It's all steamy still. You can see the steam. There it is. So you cover it up and this will soak it in there. It's a finishing dish. My Escovitch shrimp. Doesn't it look delicious? Mouth-watering. Can't wait to enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Bing, just like magic.